guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so great. Yes, I am back with another haul video, but it's very mini, it's very humble, but I'm excited for it. But firstly, I want to thank Dossier for teaming up with me in today's video. If you've been active like lately on social media, I am sure you would have seen this viral fragrance brand just everywhere. I became familiar with the brand when I saw a TikToker do an unboxing of her Dossier perfume, and I was just like, oh my god, this looks like an experience. So I literally ran to the website because the fact that they are cruelty free, of course, you know, your girl only reviews cruelty free beauty, so I was immediately intrigued by the brand. So when they reached out to me, I was so ecstatic because literally 2 days before, I was browsing their website just looking for popular luxury fragrances inspired by Chanel, Dior. Listen to me, every luxury fragrance you can think about, they have fragrances to match. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same quality by cutting all the expenses and the infamous brand tax. They also have a risk-free system in place which allows customers to try the perfumes before committing to full sizes, which I think is totally brilliant. And every bottle comes with a small sample that customers can try before unsealing the 50 milliliter bottle. That way customers can decide if they like the fragrance or not, and also if you wish to return the scent, they offer a 30-day return period in which the customer can return any unsealed 50 milliliter Dossier perfume and get a full refund, no questions asked. I truly admire the affordability of the Dossier perfumes because they start at $29 US, while designer scents range from $50 to $280 US retail. And as evidenced by all of the social media reviews, they've clearly done a great job in terms of the similarity of their scents to the popular luxury scents. They also have bundle deals that can save you up to 25%, and you also get free shipping for purchasing 3 or more bottles, not to mention free returns and exchanges for life. They're always adding new scents to their collections and are thrilled to take customer suggestions for future releases. This is the fragrance that they sent to me, and they did allow me to choose whatever fragrance I wanted. So naturally, I chose the one that I was going to order anyway, which is Ambery Saffron. This is actually inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. And again, if you've been active on social media, you would know this is a very expensive, luxurious fragrance, and it actually has a retail price between $300 to $500 US. Yes ma'am, that's the real price of this perfume. However, I have the $50 dupe, and I have to commend the packaging on this fragrance. I love that it comes with this magnetic cap so that when you throw it in your bag, you don't have to worry about the cap coming off and it's spilling everywhere. It's protected very much like that. Unfortunately, I do not own the Baccarat Rouge perfume to actually do a smell test and, like, you know, compare. However, I will put up on the screen the notes of both fragrances so you can see for yourselves how similar these notes are. I have been using this fragrance all week because I had so many different places to go, and oh my gosh, it is so long wearing that even when I got home and took my shower, into the next day I woke up with this. It has that residual fragrance. It smells so good. It's long wearing. It works well with my body chemistry. And if you want to try it, of course, your girl has a link down below. Make sure to click that and use my code for some coins off. I 100% recommend Dossier to anyone, especially if you want to have that luxury fragrance experience without paying that high price tag. Definitely check out Dossier. Again, do not forget to click my link down below and use the code. I will have the code on the screen right now as well as on the description box, so feel free to use it for some coin off. Now let's jump straight into the haul portion of today's video. A couple of weeks ago, I would have shared with you guys that I'm actually experiencing some hair loss right now. Like, you can see how thin the front of my hair looks, especially, and like every morning when I wake up, my pillow is just filled with my hair, so it's kind of scary. So I've been wanting to try different treatments to, you know, promote and stimulate hair growth. So I picked up this Krysta G collection Amla hair vitamins. On the brand's Instagram, I saw some dramatic before and after photos with really positive reviews of how much this has helped people with their hair loss and regrowth. So I was really intrigued to try it, and it says that this is known as the Indian gooseberry. It is regarded as a superfruit, and Krysta herself tried this. Yes, I saw before and after photos with her. Krysta G is the owner of this brand. She's a local makeup artist, quite popular and very talented. So I was really intrigued by it. So I'm really excited to try it. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, USDA organic. It's halal, so that's really important as well. So yeah, I will start this journey. I promised myself to start on the 1st of September. So I will try to vlog and update you all as much as possible. In addition to the hair vitamins, they recommend using the restoration hair mask with it as well. This is infused with cold pressed coconut oil and a dash of curry leaves, which is actually quite intriguing because I know I use that to cook. So this is supposed to help increase scalp circulation, stimulate follicles for hair growth. So this product does have a lot of claims in terms of not just for your hair itself, but for your scalp, because you know, the healthier your scalp is, the healthier your hair will be. So I'm really excited to try it. Definitely, I'll keep y'all updated. I also picked up one of her liquid lipsticks. Look at this packaging, how pretty. I love the black and rose gold. It's very chic and classy. This is what the actual tube looks like. I love it. It's very lightweight but still really pretty. I saw her use this in a live recently and I completely lost my mind with how gorgeous it looked on her. So I was just like, I need to try this on my lips because it looks so pretty on her, and I absolutely love the color. You'll see me demo it in a little bit. And of course, I saved the best for last. This is the Krysta G Collection Aesthetically Pleasing palette. Are you kidding me? Krysta G created this. This is so gorgeous. I can definitely see this representing her, and honestly, when she launched this, I didn't even realize like this was her brand. Like all I saw was the palette and I was just like, oh my gosh. I was just scrolling through Instagram like really quick and I saw this palette. I was like, wow, that is a gorgeous palette. Then I looked at the brand and I was completely blown away. The fact that she created this. It's not private labeling. Homegirl designed it down to every shade, the packaging. I am so proud of her. This is really inspiring. So it comes with this really cool sleeve, which I need to talk about for a second because this is literally my entire vibe right now. Recently, I've been looking at some scrapbooking on TikTok. Like I am addicted to those pages. And this just gave me all the vibes. So when I saw this, I was just like, oh my god, I need. But it gets even better with the actual palette. Are you kidding me? This is local. Someone from Trinidad created and designed this. Are you kidding me? This is so pretty. I love the nude color with the rose gold. You can actually feel a little bit of the texture of her logo. It is so pretty. It says aesthetically pleasing. She has the ingredients at the back as well and a description of the shades. So it does come with 20 shades, 15 buttery blendable mattes. We'll see about that. And 5 multi-dimensional pressed pigments. I know for those of you who have not seen it online, you're probably like, girl, hush your mouth and open the palette. Well, fine. So this is the gorgeous palette. Isn't it so pretty? I absolutely adore the color scheme of this palette. I love all of the warm tones. You have some cool tone mauves as well. But look at these shimmers. I'll show you swatches in a second, but just appreciate the work that went into this palette. It is so pretty. Honestly, it does not look local. No Tino shade to local brands. I'm just saying this looks super luxe. I really think it's gorgeous. The palette also has this high quality mirror, which I appreciate, and it folds all the way back, guys. That is so important. So when I opened the palette, you would have seen this little cover protecting the eyeshadows, but it's actually a cheat sheet. This is brilliant, and I wish every palette did this in every brand. This is so beyond amazing. This is a cheat sheet that actually helps you create looks. So they have the corresponding letters on the eyes and the corresponding shades to the palette. How brilliant is that? This is so beginner friendly as well, but honestly, you don't have to be an expert to not use this cheat sheet. I will definitely be using it. It's the little things that count, and you know, she's a makeup artist, so she definitely understands the struggle, especially with beginner makeup. So I think she definitely did a great job. I'm gonna live swatch a couple of the shades on my arms for you guys, but I will have a photo inserted of all of the shades swatched on my arm. So let me jump into some of these mattes that feel so buttery. I mean, so smooth. Let me get a clean finger. Let's try one of the mauve shades, because y'all know I love a good mauve. Wow. Let me do two of the shimmers because the mattes are swatching really well. Oh wow. Let's do another one. Oh, this one is like a dual chrome. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Those are really gorgeous swatches, right? But do they blend? Firstly, I'm going in with this light tan shade called Refine. As you can see, a lot came up on the brush. And I'm taking this on a fluffy brush and just placing it just above my crease. I had no issues blending this shade. It's so buttery. On a smaller blending brush, I'm going in with the shade Eclectic, which is this kind of terracotta brown. As you can see, it's super pigmented, and I'm placing that directly into my crease, and I'm just building up that intensity. The shades are blending so well together. I'm happy with how that looks, so I'm gonna take this deep brown shade called Gravitate on a packer brush, and I'm gonna place that on my outer V. This is also extremely pigmented, and I'm just gonna flick it a little bit into the outer part of my crease. I'm taking a previous brush that I used to just diffuse and blend everything together. And for the lid shade, I could not resist this rose gold color. Look at that shift. This is crazy pigmented. It is so reflective. Off camera, I popped on some lashes and a winged liner. So to finish up the under eye, I'm using the shade Gravitate again to just stamp it along my lower lash line. Using a pencil brush in the shade called Ambient to diffuse that. And I'm just using that shade to connect the bottom to the top. Using a Colourpop lippy pencil, I'm gonna line my lips and fill it in a bit as well. And going in with Krysta G's Great Wall liquid lipstick. I love this cool tone brown. The scent of this reminds me of henna, which I actually like. But as you can see, this shade looks so good on my tan skin. And this is the completed look. I can't wait to create more looks using this palette, and I'm really impressed with the liquid lipstick. It's not drying at all. And that completes this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. So please make sure to give me a huge thumbs up if you did, and comment down below what are some of your thoughts on any of these products. If you've tried anything from Krysta G's collection, I would love to hear your feedback. And thank you again to Dossier for teaming up with me in today's video. Guys, make sure and head on over to their website to check out their luxurious fragrances without that hefty price tag. And don't forget, the link will be in the description box below, along with my code, so you can use it to save some money. And as always, before you leave, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.